Hi, welcome to Main Street Dance and Music in Manville, New Jersey. My name is Julie, and this is my free, live, and recorded tap dance channel. Today I'm going to perform one dance for you at 3 different levels so that you can choose which level is best for you or the students that you're teaching. It's a great way to start a beginner level tap class and have them progress through the variations of the levels throughout the school year. So every week you can change 1 or 2 steps to make it a little more challenging. The song that I'm using is called Jubilation by Gavin and you can find it on YouTube. After you watch these 3 versions, look in this description below where I'll have 3 separate videos teaching you how to perform each dance. Happy tapping!